I have been journaling for over 17 years now. Yes, I was around 10 years old when I started journaling, when I got my first diary, and this one right here is my very first journal. And these right here are some of my journals. And here is why that I want to recommend this hobby to everybody in the universe. And I want them all to be benefited by this very simple yet powerful thing. So let's begin with what is journaling. Journaling is basically writing your thoughts down. It can be something as simple as how are you feeling about the day, how your day went, what did you eat, what did you do, who did you met, to writing complex emotions like why do you feel sad today, what went wrong, what made you anxious, what made you cry, what makes you angry, what didn't go well today, to even writing difficult things like what didn't work out between you and your partner, your family, your workplace, your friends, and everything that you can think about. Journaling is basically about writing all your thoughts down on a piece of paper. And when you write your thoughts down, it gives you this opportunity to experience yourself on a better, deeper level. Because when you write, you have to follow a single thought. You have to write completely. I don't feel nice today because of this thing. And this thing has been caused by this reason. For example, I didn't like how my friend took that ice cream from me, which I had been waiting for a week now, to writing something like, I didn't like the way my mom shouted on me when I was already having a bad day. And you can write about your bad day then, right? You basically get a clarity around that why you have been feeling the way you have been feeling. It is sort of a self therapy to you. And it feels that you have been heard. And that's all we all want, right? We all want that somebody is hearing us. And it's often difficult to find people to share your emotions with. And it is way more easier to write it on a piece of paper, especially when the emotions are difficult, when there are things that you don't want to share with the people, there are secrets that you don't want to tell to anybody. All of them, you can write it down on your journal. So that's all about journaling, right? Now, how do you get started with journaling? Basically, you can start this habit by writing about how your day went. Like today, you can write, I got up at this time in the morning, I did this, I did that, and all of that you can write down. So you can make use of some brilliant journaling prompts that are available on the internet. Something as simple as how do you feel today? What made you happy today? What made you anxious today? What are you grateful about? What are your goals like? What isn't working nice for you? What is working right for you? All of those things. Maybe I can list out few of these prompts in the description and you can make use of them. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got to know about something new that you didn't know, or maybe you just got a different perspective on something. So yeah, I'll see you again very soon with something new, and thank you so much for subscribing to this channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. It's a free thing. You don't have to pay for it, right? So yeah, see you.